Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can create a landing page in WordPress, so let's get right into it. I'll be showing you two different methods, and both are relatively easy. The first one is actually very easy, so I'll show you that first. And what you're going to need to do is, if you're in the classic view for WordPress, you're going to go into settings, or rather into I forgot exactly where. Might be settings, might be hosting. Yeah, you go into hosting, then you go into site settings. I got confused for a second, forgive me. And now, first, if you hadn't already, you need to launch your site, which I'm going to do exactly right now. And I'm not sure. I'll just skip this purchase. And after that, it should allow me to launch the site. There we go. And now that the site is live, we can go back into hosting, go back into the site settings, and here you can set up a couple of different things. You can click on coming soon, which is what you're going to be doing if you want to create your landing page. It's going to create a coming soon banner to block all other page views until you build your site as it should be. And that is basically it. Then just click save settings, and that's all you need to do. The other method is just go into your pages, delete any pages you don't want. For example, the about section, I'll just delete it, just add it to the trash, and now I don't have any pages. I have this page right over here, which I'm not sure why I'm here. This is just the home page. You can't really delete it as far as I'm aware. You might be able to change it, but first what we're going to do is we're just going to go to all pages. We're going to add a new page. We're going to name it the title page, or the whatever you want to name it, the landing page. I'm not going to add any text. I'm just going to go ahead and publish it. And now that we have that, we can possibly set that up as our homepage. Now, I don't really know how to set that up as a homepage, but pretty much if you set this up as the homepage and you set the homepage up as a different page, you can just not link the homepage anywhere else, make your landing page the homepage, and that is basically all you need to do. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.